What if I told you that you can change your English in just 90 days?
Not in 5 years, not someday, but in 3 months.
No magic, no stress, just a clear plan.
Stay with us till the end. We'll give you a simple daily routine you can start today.
Welcome to Mrs. English Podcast. Today we talk about one big question.
How can I learn English in 90 days?
This podcast is for busy people, moms, students, workers, everyone.
You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent.
First rule, stop saying, "My English is bad."
Say, my English is improving.
Mistakes are not enemies, they are teachers.
If you wait to be ready, you'll never start.
Let's break 90 days into 3 simple stages.
Days 1 through 30, build basics.
Days 31 through 60, speak more.
Days 61 through 90, speak confidently.
Small steps every day make big results.
In the first 30 days, focus on listening and simple speaking.
What to do daily: 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes vocabulary.
Listen to easy podcasts. Watch short videos.
Speak alone. Yes, alone.
Talk about your day. What did I do today? How do I feel?
Now it's time to speak with people.
Friends, online partners, even yourself in the mirror.
Learn useful phrases, not grammar rules.
Examples, in my opinion, I think that. For me, it's difficult but interesting.
Your goal is communication, not perfection.
Now you already understand more.
This stage is about confidence.
Retell stories. Explain ideas.
Talk about job, your plans, your dreams.
English becomes part of your life.
Let's make it simple.
30 minutes a day is enough.
Morning, 5 to 10 minutes listening.
Daytime, think in English.
Evening, speak for 10 minutes.
Consistency beats motivation.
Mistake 1 is studying too much grammar.
Mistake 2 is being afraid to speak.
Mistake 3 is quitting too early.
Day 20 feels hard. That's normal.
You don't need talent.
You need habit.
90 days will pass anyway.
The question is, will your English change?
Here's your challenge.
Speak English 10 minutes today.
Not tomorrow, today.
Your future self will thank you.
Thank you for listening to Learn English in 90 Days.
Subscribe to Mrs. English for easy and real English.
See you next time.
Welcome back. If you're listening to Part 2, you're preparing for real life.
This is the continuation. In Part 1, we learned how to explain symptoms and talk to a doctor.
Today, we'll go further.
Hospital visits, tests, prescriptions, emergencies, all in simple English.
Stay till the end. We'll do a full hospital conversation practice.
When you arrive, the staff may say,
How can I help you? Do you have an appointment?
you can answer,
Yes, I have an appointment. No, I don't. I need to see a doctor.
simple and polite English.
They may ask for information.
Common questions.
What's your name? How old are you? What's your date of birth?
Useful sentences.
Here is my ID. I don't have insurance.
Don't worry, slow English is okay.
Doctors may suggest tests.
Common words.
Blood test, X-ray, checkup.
Useful sentences.
Do I need a test? Is it painful? How long will it take?
Never be afraid to ask questions.
After the visit, the doctor may give medicine.
Important questions.
How often should I take it? Before or after food? For how many days?
Very useful sentences.
Can you write it down, please?
This helps a lot.
Let's talk about emergencies.
Important phrases.
I need help. It's an emergency. Please call a doctor.
If someone else is sick.
My child is not breathing well. My husband fainted.
Clear, short sentences save time.
How can I help you?
I don't feel well. I have chest pain.
How long have you had?
Since this morning.
Are you taking any medicine?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin.
Excellent. Clear and calm English.
Mistake 1, using Google Translate and panic.
Mistake 2, saying nothing.
Mistake 3, saying yes when you don't understand.
Always ask again.
Doctors and nurses want to help you.
They don't expect perfect English.
They need clear information.
Your health comes first.
Practice with us. Say it out loud.
I don't feel well. I've had this pain for 2 days. Can you explain it again, please?
Practice makes confidence.
You can speak to a doctor in English,
Even with simple words.
even with mistakes.
What matters is communication.
Thank you for listening to How to Talk to a Doctor in English.
Subscribe to Mrs. English for real-life English.
See you next time.